The festive season means lots of food from morning to evening. We frequently find our refrigerators overflowing with food since our mothers and grandmothers prepare so much. Excessive eating can often lead to a burning sensation in the stomach or constipation. So in this video, we bring you recipes for 2 homemade drinks that will help you relish all the delicacies without worrying about digestive problems. Drinking ginger punch will help reduce gaseous distension, bloating and digestive issues. 1 inch ginger, 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, half cup chopped jaggery, a pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons crushed ajwain or carom seeds. Pour a glass of water into a pan and heat it. Add jaggery and stir it until it melts. Add spices and let the mixture simmer until the aroma fills the space. Add a pinch of turmeric at the end and after a couple of minutes, strain the mixture and serve it hot. Buttermilk is good for your gut health. It relieves constipation and maintains blood sugar levels. 4-5 pieces of cucumber, 1 cup low-fat curd, half teaspoon pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. Beat the curd in a jar by adding a cup and a half of water to it. Add all the spices and mix everything well. Keep it in the refrigerator and drink it as a mid-morning snack or in the evening. For more such videos, like and subscribe our channel.